Little Rosie here, she's pregnant right now. She'll probably be calving soon. You can see the bulge in her. She's our smallest cow. We're a bit worried for her because she is just so much smaller than all the other cows. She's basically a midget cow. Here's Bubba J. Bubba J is our bull, and he's also an ornery little fella. Is that right, Bubba J? Big Rosie, she's had a calf already, but her calf passed in the winter. It was just too cold, and we think she might have been premature. Hi, Rosie. It just happens sometimes with calves. There's a video the day she was born if you want to go check that out. She didn't last much longer after that video though. This is Norman right here. I made a couple videos on him.